Hello students, myself Nitin Patel. Today we will understand about the civilization. That's before this topic, before this topic of River Valley civilization, we have to understand what do you mean by the civilization. Civilization is the method of living, eating food, celebrations, and so on. First we will understand the civilization, then what is the need of civilization, then afterward we will study that lesson by the help of our book. Now I'm going to explain when men started producing enough food, like our early man. Early man has started producing enough food. He began to thinking to new things. Now he have started to think. He thought about the settled society. Now he don't want to move here and there. He want to live in a society for better food, better clothes. He also learned how to read and write. For this, he began to use his knowledge and improve the lifestyle. He started taking part in the leisure activities. Then we can say that when we men look for more, just fulfillment of the basic need, that stage is called as stage of civilization. Now I am telling to you meaning of civilization according to this book. Man's lifestyle changed significantly after he learned to use metal. He could now make sharper and more pointed tools with which he improved his skill as bronze is harder than the copper. Bronze tools made the clearing the forest, the plowing of fields, and the digging of canals easier. Village settlement along river bank now become permanent. Agriculture produce surplus crops. This give the man more free time to improve his skills and manufacture goods to meet his growing needs. Exchange of these goods lead to the growth of trade and trade center, which is turn led to rise in cities. Now dawn of civilization. First we have to understand about the dawn. Dawn, meaning of dawn is morning time. It means starting of the day. Then we can say starting of civilization. We can say dawn of civilization. The rise of cities in dawn is unheard in the dawn of civilization. City life require the efficient administration, language and script, and form of worship and agriculture cultural expression. The sum of total aspect of organized life in a society is called civilization. Before I tell to you, in a organized life when man is living, it is called civilization like us. The earliest civilization developed along with river valley. This was because of the following reason. Why river valley civilization is there? Because the humans first need is water. Humans need also, animals need also, for agriculture purpose also we want water. The earliest civilization developed along with river valley civilization. This was because of the following reason. The rivers provide ample supply of water which could support the large settlements. The land near the river were fertile and various crops could be grown with ease. Rivers were important mean of communication because long road did not exist. Now that picture is also given in all civilization. In center of that one river is also playing. River is there. Now in each civilization river will be there. Now we will understand about the river valley civilization. The first civilization are hence called the river valley civilization. They developed in Africa and Asia between 3500 BC to 2000 BC. Their sites are located in Mesopotamia in the valley of river Tigris and Euphrates. Now second one is Egypt is the valley of river valley Nile. Harappa and it's surrounded in the valley of river Indus. China is the valley of river Huang Ho. Now we can say in easy language, human want to live in the previous time near the river. That's why all civilization is called river valley civilization. In next topic, in next class, we will understand about these. Now your work is this: you have to understand and read this topic by heart 2 3 times. See this video and understand the things. Then it will easy to you to for improvement of your knowledge. Thank you and have a nice day.